Good day. This is my reflection on the ICT interrogated lesson plan that I developed for grade 2 learners in natural science. The topic of my lesson is weather and seasons. The lesson was designed to help learners identify the 4 seasons and also the weather, as in rain, snow, sunshine, and also to help learners to characterize the weather and be able to sort it in pictures and in correct categories. For the introduction of the lesson, I showed the learners YouTube videos to make them familiar with the lesson. I chose this activity because I believe that it is easier for learners to grab learners' attention through videos and colorful concepts through videos on YouTube. And in today's day, children are always on YouTube, so that helps. If I were to present this lesson to a class of learners, I would ask them questions about the weather. What is the weather outside? Is it sunny? Is it raining? Which season are we in? And so they can also participate in the class and use what they observed in the YouTube video. The ICT tool used during the introduction was a YouTube video. For the main part of this activity, I chose to do a PowerPoint sorting activity. Learners could see pictures and then sort the weather conditions accordingly to the weather and to the pictures. I also chose this activity to engage with the learners and to make it more participatable, if that's a word. My role as a teacher would also be to explain to the learners and help where needed, to see where children are struggling in certain aspects. I would also give them clear instructions on how to do the sorting and how exactly it needs to be able to show them how to follow simple instructions as well. The ICT tool that I used for this lesson or for the main activity was Microsoft PowerPoint. I believe that this activity fits the augmentation level of the SAMR model because technology improves the learning experience by making the activity interactive and visually engaging. To conclude the lesson, I created a short PowerPoint quiz. The quiz contains easy and short questions regarding the seasons and the weather. It is also a simple activity because it is a multi-choice activity, so it is not too complicated for grade 2 learners. This activity will allow children to show what they've learned, and it will also show me where certain children are struggling or learners, and where we need to focus more on and on which learners we need to focus more on. And of course, to check their level of understanding of the lesson. I identified this activity as modification because technology changes the way learners complete the assignments and also allows for immediate discussion after the short quiz. Throughout my lesson, I would be guiding the learners by asking questions and assisting where I need to assist, also explaining throughout the video what we are seeing and what not. I would also assist during the activity, the sorting activity on PowerPoint, and I would also discuss what they've learned after they completed the quiz. After the quiz, I would also have an active discussion with the class, so everyone can share their ideas and what they've learned. Although I've not yet presented this lesson in a classroom, it really helped me to plan a lesson and understand how ICT can be integrated into a classroom. I learned that videos, interactive presentations, and digital quizzes can make lessons more engaging and support different learning styles. If I were to teach this lesson, I would also include a short outdoor activity to connect children to real life outdoor experiences and not just classroom and worksheet experience. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this